In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom COG channel indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your trading, even if you're brand new to TradingView or custom indicators. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. Any market and any time frame is fine. Just open a chart you're comfortable working with. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frame and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicator panel, where you can search for and manage all indicators available in TradingView. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find anything without scrolling through long lists. Move your cursor to that search area and click so you can start typing. Taking this extra second to use the search bar will save you a lot of time, especially if you use multiple tools or switch between setups often. Now, in that search box, carefully type Custom COG Channel. Type it just like that so TradingView can pull up the correct script. As you type, you should see matching results appear below the search field. If you see more than one similar name, make sure you pick the one that clearly matches to Custom COG Channel. Once you spot it, click on the indicator name. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, and you should see the COG channel lines appear over your price action. With the indicator now visible, the next step is to customize it so it fits your trading style. On your chart, hover over the indicator's name in the upper left area of the chart where active indicators are listed. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to the name. Click on that gear icon to open the settings. Here you can adjust inputs like length or sensitivity, and you can also change colors and line styles so the channel stands out clearly against your background. Take a moment to experiment with these options until the channel is easy for you to read. Finally, if you haven't created your TradingView Pro account yet, use the link provided in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to the full feature set and can follow along with all my future tutorials that build on this setup. That's all you need to quickly add and configure the custom COG channel indicator in TradingView Pro.